Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to change the watch face on your watch, first wake up the screen on it by pressing the home button, and then once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this watch face to open the watch face menu. And here by default you will see the only one watch face, basically the one that is default, but you can tap on this add watch face button, and here we have the list of watch faces we can add to our list. There's quite a few of them, different categories as you can see, so look for something you like, and once you find something you enjoy, tap on it and it will be added to the list. And now we have multiple watch faces, and if you want to apply the watch face you added, you simply tap on it to apply it. And you can add multiple watch faces to the list, and then you can pick from them later on, so you can change the watch faces whenever you like by just opening the menu and tapping on the watch face you like. You can also customize the watch faces. As you can see, some of them have this customize button, and this allows you to change a few things. For example, on this watch face we can change the color, then we can swipe left, change the clock front, change the complications or complication color, and then we can change the complication. So you can tap on complication and select something you like. And once you're done, you can press the home button and the changes will be applied. Okay, you can also change the watch face through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab that phone, open the Galaxy Wearable, of course, on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let me zoom out the camera a bit, like this. And in the Galaxy Wearable app, you should see your watch. It's not here for some reason, so give me a second. I'm gonna come back to you once I pair it again. Okay, the watch is paired now with our phone, and we can continue. So once you open the application, you can tap on the My Watch Face button right here, My Watch Faces rather. It will open the watch faces menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces added on your watch. For some reason, okay, it updated now. We have the list of watch faces, and you can basically find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply the watch face, or tap on it then tap on set to apply the watch face, like this. Or you can add additional watch faces by tapping on plus button, scroll through the page, look for something you like, tap on it and then tap on apply. And you can also customize the watch faces in the app as well by tapping on edit button, and here you can change some things if you want to, and then you can tap on save. Okay, and basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.